If you're trying to start affiliate marketing but you don't have money for ads, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple steps beginners can use to start affiliate marketing in 2026 without spending a single dollar on paid ads. And the best part? This method focuses on free traffic, simple content, and beginner-friendly tools so anyone can start today. Let's jump right in. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to promote everything to everyone. Instead, pick one niche. Some of the best affiliate niches include make money online, health and fitness, personal finance tech, and software relationships. Why? Because these niches have huge demand and thousands of affiliate products. When you focus on one niche, you build authority and trust, and that's what leads to commissions. Once you have your niche, the next step is finding affiliate products. Some beginner-friendly affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates Impact, CJ, Affiliate Share, A-Sale, Digistore, 24. These platforms allow you to promote products and earn commissions when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product. You simply recommend products and earn a commission. Now we need traffic. Without traffic, there are no clicks and no commissions. The best free platforms today are YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, blogging. But if you're just starting, I highly recommend YouTube. Why? Because YouTube videos can bring traffic for years, not just a few hours. Affiliate marketing is not about selling. It's about helping people solve problems. Some of the best affiliate content includes product reviews, comparisons, tutorials, best tools, lists, case studies, examples, best beginner affiliate marketing tools, Shopify versus Etsy, how to start dropshipping step by step. When people search for these topics, they're already looking for solutions. That's where your affiliate links come in. Successful affiliate marketers create 3 types of content. Top of funnel educational videos that attract viewers. Middle of funnel videos that compare solutions. Bottom of funnel product reviews that convert viewers into buyers. For example, top, how to start affiliate marketing. Middle, best affiliate platforms for beginners. Bottom, full review of product. This simple system turns your content into a 24/7 sales machine. Now we monetize. Place your affiliate links in video descriptions, link in bio pages, blog posts. When viewers click your link and buy something, you earn a commission. Even better. Some affiliate programs pay recurring commissions every month. This is where most people fail. They post a few videos, don't make money right away, then they quit. Affiliate marketing works when you stay consistent. If you post 2 to 3 videos per week, you can build a content library that generates traffic and commissions for years. Think of every video as a digital salesperson working for you 24/7. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online businesses you can start today. You don't need inventory, you don't need customer support, and you don't even need your own product. You just need content, traffic, and the right affiliate links. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Everything Happens For Us for more videos about affiliate marketing, online income, and building financial freedom online, and I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like, I can also help you with 10 viral YouTube titles for this video, a high-converting YouTube description with affiliate links, 50 video ideas for your affiliate channel, a full 30-day content plan to grow the channel. This would help you reach your 3M subscriber goal faster. Before you go, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Join Everything Happens For Us for weekly step-by-step strategies. Comment ready to start today.